put their feet up like this and they fly.
How do you get to the North Pole?
Fly.
Do you go on the train, the Polar Express?
Nah, you go in a sleigh and hold on to the black reindeer thing. And the reindeers go tied on there and they fly.
What is Santa going to bring you this year?
Presents.
What kind of presents?
And I'm giving him a present of chocolate M&M's chocolates for him to eat.
You're giving him what?
Chocolate things to eat.
Does he know that?
Yeah.
Did you call him and tell him?
Nah.
No.
So can I call him?
We can't call him. We don't know his number.
Let's know his number.
What's his number?
788.
788. That's not Santa's number.
668.
That's not his number.
999.
Do you think he's going to like the chocolate?
Yes.
Yeah.
So 999.
What's he going to say?
No, I'm saying 999.
What does Santa say?
Ho, ho, ho. Madeline, that's a good present for me. I'm giving you a present.
Is that what he's going to say?
Yep.
Where's he going to put the present?
In my bag.
What bag?
The things that we watched the Santa movie, the Little Bear movie, and I saw Santa and he puts them in bags.
He did.
Well, we sweep.
Oh, wow.
And it's winter time.